Good morning, kids. I have my helper here, Cookie Monster. And today we're going to do another experiment with Cookie's help. And we're going to do a fun experiment called Rainbow Magic. Simple ingredients: M&Ms, a plate, and some water. Here's my package of M&Ms, my plate, and I have my measuring cup of water. Now, before we get started, inside M&Ms, we know is that delicious chocolate candy. Well, the outside coating is made of sugar and food coloring. Hi, guys. Oh, they're all paying attention. Don't you love it? Those are all my students today, taking your place. So let's have some fun. We're going to learn about molecules and water, which has positive and negative charges. So I want to show you something interesting. So in our sentence, we know they are made of words. So I'm going to circle the words have in our sentence. And the word have is made of letters. And I'm going to circle each letter. The H, the A, the V, and the E. So when we think of molecules and atoms, the words in a sentence are molecules. The letters would be tiny, tiny atoms. Everything in this world is made up of a molecule and lots of little atoms, including our M&Ms. Water is also a molecule, and it contains charges. Charges are things that attract different ions together, positives and negatives. And when we pour water on top of our M&Ms, it attracts and it dissolves the food coloring and the sugar in the candy. That's what we're going to be watching today. So let's get started. I'm going to pour out my M&Ms here. Lots of pretty ones. And then I'm going to select a variety of colors, and I'm going to put them on my plate in a pattern. So I've selected the candies I want to use, and I've made a pattern. So I'm using a simple one, but you could do something really creative. Maybe put another row in the center if you'd like. It's up to you. Okay, I've just transferred my M&M circle to a larger plate so that you can see what happens when the water gets poured onto the M&Ms and how it attracts and begins to dissolve the sugar and the magic that takes place. So I'm going to very, very, very slowly pour my water in place because I don't want to disturb the M&Ms. Okay. Now, as we watch, we're going to begin to see the water causing the M&M sugared candy and food coloring to release those positive and negative charges. Do you notice how the circle is filling in the center? So more and more of the M&Ms are releasing their color into the water, and the rainbow is forming in the center. Notice over here, I didn't put enough water for the plate to fill out, so I have a little design. And now that my rainbow is almost finished in the center, I'm going to take my chopstick and I'm just going to make some swirls. Notice it's all going in one direction. And the best part, when this is finished, I'm going to eat my M&M. So thank you, boys and girls, for being part of my experiment, learning about the properties of dissolving and attracting of molecules, and enjoy your M&Ms. I'll see you soon. Bye, guys.